Welcome to Maritime Vendors, a one-stop solution for your marine industry needs. First-time users need to register on our portal, either as a shipping company, ship chandler, or vendor, to leverage the services we provide. As a shipping company, you can raise multiple RFQs across multiple locations as per your requirements. Using our platform, you can explore for the best ship chandlers available with the best prices and quality. We provide a platform for you to connect with various ship chandlers, bidding for your RFQ and the freedom to opt for the best ship chandler. Maritime Vendors will help you connect with the opted shipping chandler for you to continue your deal with them at your discretion. As a ship chandler, you will have global viability and reach for your products and will be able to bid and quote for multiple RFQs from various shipping companies at a single point. Registering as a vendor gives you a platform to showcase your profile, experience, infrastructure, and the services you provide. We give you a broader reach to generate maximum leads and an opportunity to connect with buyers directly and serve them better. Maritime Vendors also facilitates in your search for vendors, providing services like workshops, diving, or surveyors across various locations. Our portal displays all the registered vendors providing the facilities at the opted port as per your search criteria. We present you with the contact information and other details of the vendor of your choosing for you to continue your interaction with the vendor independent of our platform. We also come to your aid in case of emergencies like engine breakdown or hull failure, with your request treated as the highest priority. We can be reached on our customer care number 24/7 or through our portal by sharing the required details and stating the type of emergency. We contact you at the earliest for your request and facilitate to address your crisis in an expedited manner. For more information, log on to maritimevendors.com.